Pay me, pay me, pay me my silver now. Pay me or go to jail. Pay me my silver now.
Roadrunner.com. The silver squeeze whale is back. Just posted the position on SLV. Remember, a year ago in the first quarter of last year, a company called Private Advisor Group had bought, what was it? I have it right here. 191 million shares of SLV, 1/3 of SLV. And that drove the price towards $30, and everybody was freaking out. Since that, over the next 2 quarters, they sold it off to zero and just posted they have gone back to building their position. They're at 61 million ounces and moving. The percentage up is a 1,015% higher increase in the amount of shares bought by Private Advisor Group. I checked SLV's inventory. It has barely moved. That is an issue. That's a BlackRock issue. SLV is supposed to buy shares, buy silver, and put it in the trust as shares are purchased. So, Private Advisor Group bought 61 million shares in the fourth quarter. Remember, this is the same entity that bought 1/3 of all of SLV. It looks like now they're not buying it all in a quarter. It looks like they're going to just keep adding and adding to squeeze, to literally choke out these criminals. Couldn't happen at a worse time for Goldman Sachs and Bank of America and JP Morgan and Jeff Curry and Jeffrey Christian, all the criminals involved in this. BlackRock is a criminal involved as well. I do expect a force majeure before Private Advisor Group is able to pull that silver, stand for delivery on their SLV, which you can if you have 50,000 shares. Stand for delivery. But this is just in Private Advisor Group, the same entity that caused the short squeeze that the Reddit guys took credit for. It wasn't. It was Private Advisor Group bought 1/3 of SLV and was squeezing the comics to get that silver into it. They are back. They are back. They went from zero to, actually it wasn't zero, from 5 million ounces to 61 million ounces of SLV shares that they can convert. Every 50,000 shares they can convert into 50,000 ounces. Private Advisor Group. Keep that in mind. They have rocketed back up to the largest holder of SLV. Now the total SLV warehouse is, I think it's around 590 million ounces. So this is over 10%, but remember, they bought 30% back in the first quarter of last year. So there is something going down in the silver market right now. I don't know, a couple of the top holders decreased their holdings. UBS, Citadel, and Susquehanna International. They were the top holders. They decreased their holdings, but we also had a big increase in the short position on SLV, which, how it's even allowed that a physical commodity ETF has a short position. That's basically people buying shares that aren't put into the trust. So there's 30 million ounces there. They're going to have to, BlackRock's going to have to find them and put them in SLV at some point. It is so insane right now in the silver market. But this is a huge feather in the cap. Keep an eye on Private Advisor Group. They were the whale back in the first quarter of last year when the silver squeeze happened, and it looks like they're building another whale position just in time to destroy guys like Bank of America, who have leased from JP Morgan 800 million ounces of silver. I have shown in today's video that they are taking delivery. The last 3 months, they were the largest delivery takers. Of course, this month is not over. I think it's a little over half has been delivered. I wouldn't be surprised to see B of A add to their currently, 6 million ounces just this first few days. So keep an eye on this story. But this is the whale. The whale is back. I thought they were gone when they closed out their position. Clearly, they're pissed off. They're back in the market. Private Advisor Group buying up as much SLV as possible to take delivery of silver. That's the way. If you want to take a big delivery of silver, you don't go through the COMEX. They're even more criminal. You go through SLV, which is rules and laws according to the SEC. Private Advisor Group is making a move on silver. This is your red alert. You won't hear it anywhere else except roadtoruta.com, let me tell you. Again, we're above the 200-day moving average. Everything is screaming buy silver right now. And I just read that Apple and Google payment systems are now blocked in Russia, causing chaos in the metro system. It's just not just the metro system. Remember, Apple and Google they're like open lines of credit to people. Apple Pay, that's a credit card. If you cut off the Russians, nobody's going to pay their balance. And this just shows how much power these high-tech companies have over us. Get out of the system. We need decentralized everything. Get your silver in your own possession. Get your cryptos in your own possession. You cannot trust your government. You cannot trust your bank. Get it in your own possession. This shit is falling apart right now. Again, Private Advisor Group is making a move on silver. Get your physical silver in your own possession now, today. Silver could so easily run up to $30 and blow by it. Next stop, 50, blow by it. Next stop, unknown. I think 1-to-1 with gold. 1-to-1 ratio with gold. Everything points to that other than price, which is determined on the COMEX, futures and options. Everything. Private Advisor Group is making their move. That is the news for right now. This is a silver red alert. We're going to move really fast. More information, go to roadtoruta.com. Bix Weir, I'll talk to you later.
All right, it's time to have a little fun with our friends on the COMEX. This song goes out to that big old gigantic naked short out there. You know who you are. It's kind of lonely at the top, ain't it? I thought I heard the people say, pay me my silver now. Tomorrow's another trading day. But pay me my silver now. Watching the COMEX prices rise. Pay me my silver now. JP Morgan naked shows the highs. Pay me my silver now. Pay me, pay me, pay me my silver now. Pay me or go to jail. Pay me my silver now. CFTC, you better shut it down. Pay me my silver now. There's people rising up in every town. Pay me my silver now. The Gatta boys are in the know. Pay me my silver now. Tinfoil hats at the silver show. Pay me my silver now. Pay me, pay me, pay me my silver now. Pay me or go to jail. Pay me my silver now. Butler nails you every time you try. Pay me my silver now. The BPS shows how much you lie. Pay me my silver now. The game is done when the silver's gone. Pay me my silver now. COMEX metal in the warehouse, none. Pay me my silver now. Pay me, pay me, pay me my silver now. Pay me or go to jail. Pay me my silver now. The banking boys melt that witch. Pay me my silver now. Deliver those bars and melt that bitch. Pay me my silver now. Pay me, pay me, pay me my silver now. Pay me or go to jail. Pay me my silver now. 'Cause now is the time to free our land. Pay me my silver now. Silver in my pocket, paper in the can. Pay me my silver now. Pay me, pay me, pay me my silver now. Pay me or go to jail. Pay me my silver now. Pay me, pay me, pay me my silver now. Pay me or go to jail. Pay me my silver now.